Okay, welcome to our Anchorage workshop. Alright, so here is where we make the anchor wedges. Alright, so here in the carton are the anchor wedges packed well and ready to be delivered to both our domestic and abroad clients. And right this way you guys can see this is the whole production line. Okay, and also CNC machines are adopted to make sure that our laborers can continue to cover as much as they can and to make the wedges produced automatically. And you can see it here. It's very fine finish, right? Very bright, very beautiful. Okay, so like what I said, the CNC machine, it can do the production by itself automatically and very high precision. Okay, and there's the raw material cutting. Okay, so yes, we are a factory. Okay, so move to the next one.